You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hey there, crafty friends. It's Hallie with Melody Lane Inspired, and we've got a new mystery box and a new cutie in this mystery box. And this mystery box is the Seaglass Mystery Box. So who's kidding? I'm not going to make you wait till the end with the new cuties. I'm just going to tell you right away, because if they sell out and they sell out quickly, I want to make sure you get your cutie. So you can purchase. The links to purchase are in the video description below. And because we get a cutie, it is available to Cricut Access members only. But if you're not a member, don't worry, because there are also links below to join Access. And I haven't peeked at him yet, but I know by the name of his color, I'm gonna love this because it's my favorite color. And Melody's favorite color. And oh my goodness. So here is the True Teal Cutie. So they've had a new line of True ones. So this is True Teal. I was excited when I seen the name. I knew I was going to love it because it's teal. It's hard to get the lighting exact because he does look bluer than he is, but in person, he's more teal, definitely more green than appears on camera. And I don't really have a cutie that's close to him colors-wise because I was looking to see, do I have something close to him? And I really don't. So let's see what else is in the Seaglass Mystery Box. We are getting some premium vinyl metallic, and this is the squares in the cornflower, and you're going to get 12 by 48 inches of this. You can see. And this is a really pretty metallic, it's cornflower color, but a pretty blue there. And we're getting a big roll of silver glitter iron-on. You're going to get 5 feet of this in this roll. So this is a big chunky, it's like me, it's a chunky. It's a chunky roll. And I don't know about you, but there's like a million things I can make with this. My daughter's obsessed with hoodies I'm making her, and she's like, Mom, can you make me another one with that silver glitter iron-on? This would be great too, because don't forget, you can put iron-on cards, especially with Christmas coming, and you have 5 feet of this. You could add some glitter iron-on to cards. It would look amazing, and I find iron-on really easy to work with. We're getting some premium vinyl permanent, and this is in the silver. So you're going to get 12 by 48 inches of this also. And we're getting some premium vinyl removable matte, and this is tennis ball color, which makes sense because it's definitely tennis ball color. And you're going to, did I say that? You're going to get 12 by 48 inches of this also. Oh, and I love this. I love this because I say it's the stuff unicorns are made out of. We're getting some holographic iron-on, and this is the Dahlia color. Just look how pretty when the light reflects. And this is 12 by 24 inches. It's magical. Like, right? Because it changes color. That's why I say it's the stuff unicorns are made of, because it's a little magical to me, holographic. And I will say the main color of this is like a pink to Dahlia, but it reflects all those other colors, and as you turn it, it changes. But overall, almost like a hot pink. And we're getting some Cricut glitter cardstock, and this is the classic sampler. So you're gonna get 10 sheets with 5 different colors. So you get 2 of each color. And if you ask me, Cricut has the best glitter cardstock because the glitter's not gonna come off. Like so many others flake off, and Cricut does not. So in this, you're gonna get 2 gold, 2 black, and then 2 orange, but I think it's like called copper, but it's an orangey copper color. This would be super, super pretty, and this is perfect for those fall projects. 2 silver, and then 2 of the white. This is the white glitter too. It's kind of hard to see there, but isn't that pretty? This is perfect too for cards, for holiday cards, and think snow. Like that glitter that it gives reminds me of like iridescent snow. And we are also getting a Cricut scoring stylus, and we're also getting a Cricut storing stylus in lilac. And then last but not least in the box is we are getting a trucker's hat. So you can take some of that iron-on and put it on it. You can put infusible ink on it. And with the holidays coming, there's always somebody you can make a hat for, right? And that is everything that's in Cricut's Seaglass Mystery Box. So the mystery box, because we have our Teal Cutie, it's $59.99, but not really because you get your access discount. Go ahead, and links are below to purchase. And thank you so much for watching. If you could give us the like, the subscribe, so make sure and hit that little bell so you get the notifications. That way when we have a video come out, you know, and then when the new mystery boxes come out, we always have a video that comes out right away as soon as they're released to let you know what's in it, and so you can grab them before they're gone. Like, I don't have a cutie in my car, but like I have a teal stripe down the hood of my Grand Cherokee, and I have like my Grand Cherokees in teal, the Jeep parts are in teal. Now I feel like I need this Teal Cutie in my car. And also in the description below is our coupon code, which is gift for you, the letter U, all one word, number 4, which you get 10% off of purchase of $100 or more, but it won't work on a mystery box. It won't work on machines and stuff. But if you're going to buy materials, you can go ahead and use that code and it will give you a discount. But we greatly, greatly appreciate you guys watching today, and we greatly appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Thank you to our admins. We are very, very grateful. That's just been a word that's been buzzing around me lately. And I just have to say how grateful I am to our admins, you guys who are watching us, and to Cricut. And I hope you all have a happy, happy, happy week filled with lots of happy crafting. Happy crafting and happy accidents, because happy accidents happen while you're crafting, but it's still happy crafting. That almost was a tongue twister. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. We appreciate it. And until next time, happy crafting and toodles from Alex. Bye.